Oh boy, hope you guys like long videos, because I certainly do not. Yes guys, it is another long video. Of course, as you already know, you saw the intro. But yeah, today we'll be taking a look at 5 Thailand variants that are necessary to review. Because if you guys want to buy them, you certainly can. But yeah, I want to get this video out of the way because I have got 8 other videos left to record. Technically 7 because one's a double review of 2 Hot Rod cars. Maybe 3 if I'm depending on like actually doing 3. But yeah, so without further ado, let's just start off with the first car, and that is on Rust-eze Lightning McQueen. Of course, I got all these 5 cars here. Actually 4. I got 4 of them from Get Me Collectibles, and the other one I got from Smith's Toy Superstore, which I'll go on when I get onto that review. But yeah, of course, I actually do already have this Thailand variant of Lightning McQueen, but it's the cupcake one, and I can't really be asked taking the cupcake off every single time. Just, you know, have this Thailand variant of Lightning McQueen open. So, you know, why not just quickly do a quick video on him? Not like 3-minute, 5-minute video on one car, just a quick, like, literally, this video is going to be like 10-15 minutes, less than that. But yeah, I got all these cars from Get Me Collectibles, as I said, so I'll leave his name down here. But yeah, anyways, let's start with this video. He is made by Mattel, 3+, no paper stickers. There's his cool artwork, no new for 2021 line logo because he's not new. Cars logo, he's now Mattel because last time he was plastic. No, he wasn't Mattel. But yeah, on the back we can see that he's seen in Cars 2. If I had a pen right now, I'll just cross that out because I actually generally would. But yeah, we can see Raoul, which we know we're taking a close look at him literally in a minute. But yeah, made in Thailand. But yeah, cool. Right back with him all open up. So here is the first one all opened up, and this is Rust-eze Lightning McQueen, as I did say. But yep, quickly, he's got this nice expression here, smiling expression. Rust-eze logo on the top, pretty cool. Thailand variant, of course, as I've said already, like 3 times. 95 on the top, Lightning McQueen signature. Rust-eze on the back in capital letters. On the side, he's got light year rims, again, pretty cool. Piston cup, octane gain, RPM, revolting clutch aid of the sponsors. 95 bolt, of course, as well. Rust-eze fuel cap. Exhaust pipes here. Again, like your rims on the rear or on the back. Rust-eze 95 on the headlights. This is made in week 32 in the A factory. Quickly comparing him to Cars 3 Lightning McQueen from Thailand 2, which is like extremely hard to get hold of now. Doesn't have this white trim around him. Of course, Rust-eze medicated pot ointment. Hold on. No, he is supposed to look like that. I just literally had to check. I was like, did I seriously just open up an error? Yeah, of course. Don't want this video to be long because this is already like 2 minutes on one car, which is way too much already. But yeah, we'll put these aside. Don't need them. Next one is actually a blue desert car, and that's the silver Raoul variant from the silver line. So yeah, Raoul, Mattel 3+, no paper stickers. We've got Raoul's artwork here, Cars logo, blue desert, silver line. On the back we've got the silver car. This is the last silver car that I need. Arsene, made in Thailand. Yep, and we're back with him all opened up, of course. We're all back with silver Raoul, of course. So yeah, only the front half of him is actually silver. As we can see, the regular China release, to let you guys know, this is China and this is Thailand, is all silver. I don't know why they wouldn't just do the back half, but there is a Collect and Connect version where the back half is just silver and the front half is just blue. But yeah, pretty dull release in my opinion. The back is also silver. World Grand Prix from France. Pretty cool. That is that one. I will quickly show you the Thailand Raoul compared to the silver Raoul. Pretty sick. That is number 2. Of course, my third one which I got from Get Me Collectibles, which I forgot to say, I got that one from Smith's. And my videos are not made for kids, so you know, YouTube, piss off. Yep, of course, Kori Turbo, not much of a variant, well, is a variant because it's made from Thailand. But yeah, of course, might as well do it. Not worth a like 4-minute review. So, you know, just quickly showcasing her. Kori Turbo 3 Plus Mattel. There's her artwork. Of course, Horizon Desert, Cars logo. She's not new. Of course, Mattel, as she was plastic before. Other cars on the back. Mildred, not out yet. Darren, Flo, Cruising, and Aiken Axler, all out. Cars 1 logo, because she was seen in Cars 1. RSN, which she was part of the RSN. But yeah, I'll be right back with her all opened up. So here is Kori now. Of course, the 2021 packagings are way much harder to open, as you saw me struggling there. But yep, here is Kori. She's got this nice expression. Pretty cool. Nothing on the hood. Headlights aren't even painted in. Stupid. Blurry Thailand eyes. Nothing on the top. On the side, she's just got this press badge, so then she can get into the piston cup for free, I guess. Rims are pretty cool. Doors. No license plate, which is kind of boring. Here's the base. N38A. Here's the regular China release. There's not even the colour difference. The only difference is the windows. Pretty cool. And there is also this other Kori, which is Nurse Kori. As you can see, with the white walls. Was seen in, I think, I can't remember what Major Short it was. I'm going blind. Eyes are different. Yep, that is Kori. That is number 3. Coming up to number 4 now. I'm leaving the best to last, in my opinion. Yep, Bob Cutlass, of course, was seen in Cars 3. So we've got 3 Plus, Mattel, Bob Cutlass. Pretty cool. Cars 3, Bob Cutlass, as we know, he's got RSN. Another RSN reporter. Cars logo, Horizon Desert, not new for 2021. Mattel logo up there. On the back, other cars, Teco, TMW, Blind Spot, Fabulous Lightning McQueen, and Hot Rod Smokey. 2020, RSN, and of course made in Thailand. Cars 3. Right back with all him opened up as well. So here is Bob Cutlass from Cars 3. We know he is different from the Cars 1 version because he's got so much different paint and he is thinner as well. Yeah, we'll leave him here for now. He's got this nice smiling expression. Pretty cool. Happy that he's an RSM reporter alongside Daryl Cartrip. Voiced by Bob Cutlass, I think. Nice eyes. RSN logo on the side. Breeds Racing Sports Network. All blurry. License plate, if it can focus. RS828E, which is it the same? No, it just reads OSN, so they are different. Of course, bases, backs, windows are different. Yep, that's Bob Cutlass. Now I have one left to do, which is my favourite, and that's the Thailand variant of Jeff Gorvette. Pretty light, in my opinion. Yep, he's made by Mattel, 3 Plus, Jeff Gorvette. Of course, there's the American Racer, Jeff Gorvette. Cars logo, Mattel, Horizon Desert. On the back, we can see some other releases. Of course, Raoul, Max, Harami, Lewis. There's Jeff himself. For some reason, he's still in this line. I would get a pen and just cut him out. But yeah, Cars 2. Yep, I'll be right back with this guy now, all opened up. So here is Jeff Gorvette. Of course, he does have the Corvette logo. Like the other releases didn't have the Corvette logo. There are a few that have the Corvette logo. But yep, of course, he's got his headlights here at the front. His usual angry Jeff Gorvette expression. For some reason, I'm literally bleeding. Must have cut myself on the blister. But yep, yellow headlights. Usual Thailand. Well, not usual. This is his first Thailand release. He's got a Vietnam release. Looks pretty similar though, to be fair. World Grand Prix spoiler. As it says World Grand Prix. Got the American stars on the side. World Grand Prix 24. All in all. Stars. Fuel cap. I'm literally bleeding, jeez. Hey YouTube, not for kids. Blood. Yeah, anyways, World Grand Prix. Powered by All in All. All blurry, look at that, ew. American flag. Very light compared to a regular China release, not going to lie. Yeah, you can see the difference. This is the non-Corvette logo. Forgot to show you the base. Here's the base. Just a Corvette, plain, pretty much plain. Yep, here's the one with the Corvette logo. Yeah, that does end this quick video. Probably a bit longer than I wanted it to be fair. Don't knock the tree over, CDR. Let me know who your favourite is. My favourite has to go with Bob Cutlass, then Jeff Gorvette, then probably Lightning McQueen, Kori and Raoul, just because. Yeah, if you guys are new, please make sure you leave a like. I've got a lot of tidying up to do. Still got videos to record as well. Yeah, make sure you hit that red subscribe button, turn it white. I'm going to sort this out now. Yeah, hit that bell notification button down below. Till next one, peace.